Are you ready to earn your first paycheck in just 7 days by providing home childcare? You may be wondering, how do I get started? Who do I call and what do I need to do? You're also probably thinking, this takes time and I need to start earning money now. And finally, is this really possible? If you're nodding your head as you're listening to this video, then stick around. I will share with you what I did to earn income in just 7 days from the day I committed to opening a home daycare. But wait, before we dive into these steps, there are a few very important facts you must keep in mind. First, this is an accelerated process, and your why must include your love for childcare as a top priority. Second, you must be willing to adhere to compliance. Even though this is a fast track to earn income in 7 days, it is never, and I repeat, never, at the expense of providing quality childcare, ensuring children's safety, and adhering to the law. And third, step number 3 is a deal breaker. You must complete this step in its entirety in order to be successful. Let's get started. These are the things you should do on day number 1. Step 1, start marketing your business for enrollment. Advertise, advertise, and advertise. Tell everyone that you know that you are opening a home daycare, have limited spots. Then tell them that these spots will be open for a limited time only, and they can start in 7 days. And the spots are on a first come, first served basis. Do not, I repeat, do not accept payment for childcare until you get to step number 3. Step number 2. This is still day 1. You're going to contact your local, state, and licensing authorities and apply for your license and business permits. Read your application and follow all state laws. Next, register for training and credentials. Complete your first aid and CPR classes ASAP. If you can get it done today, get it done today. Day number 2. If the items from day 1 aren't completed, continue working on them along with day 2 items until you are all finished. Collect toys, furniture, books, puzzles, and learning items. Your supply list will be based on the ages of the children you plan to provide care for. Once this is determined, you can start with the essentials, the basics, and then reinvest in your business and purchase more materials as needed. Contact your family and your friends, go to yard sales, and shop at secondhand stores. Facebook Marketplace is a great place to start. Be sure to watch my video, Free Home Daycare Stuff, to get additional ideas on how to build your inventory. Next, determine how you will operate your business. This may take some time, but you still want to work out a basic contract to have the parent sign before you collect their payment. And to assist with this process, answer such questions as, what will be your hours of operation? How much will you charge? What services will you provide? And how will your business be structured? And what are your boundaries? Just to name a few. Remember, you can make an addendum to your contract as you move forward and learn what works for your business or what doesn't. These are just the basics so that you can start earning income in 7 days. To hear all the particulars, be sure to watch my video, 5 Things I Wish I Knew, Part 2, Parents Handbook and Business Policies. Then begin to prepare your home for childcare. You want to child-proof it, disinfect it, sanitize it, section off space in your home or rooms where you will be providing care for the children, both inside and outside of your home. This brings us to day 3. Also, step number 3, that very critical step I told you at the beginning. Again, this is the most crucial step of all. If you fail to complete this step, not only could you prevent yourself from getting your license, but it could also cost you money in fines and prevent you from doing business in this industry moving forward. Now that you have read the application and the state laws and determined the maximum number of children you can legally provide care for in your state without a license, This is the total number of openings for which you can receive payment on day number 7, which is what I did. Again, I'm sharing with you what I did, but check your state and local laws to see what works for you. So you should not accept, I repeat, should not accept or take on any children that exceed this number of children while you wait for your license to be approved. Once you have your state's number permitted before licensing, contact that number of parents and let them know you have a spot available for them to enroll their child and invite them to your open house. This will take place on day 6. Notify the other parents on your list and inform them that they will be contacted as soon as openings become available. Day 4 and day 5, use this time to complete steps 1 through 3 and plan for your open house. On day 6, the day before you open your home business, which is day 7, invite those selected parents to come to your home, complete the paperwork, and secure their spots. You can have them pay by the day or by the week, but before their child is admitted into your home. I chose to do by the week. So again, it's best, however, to have them pay for the week. Don't spend any money until the services have been performed. So if they pay for a week, you don't spend until that week has been paid for. If they pay for a day, at the end of that day, when the service has been provided, then you can use those monies. So hold your open house and collect the payment for tomorrow, day 7, and that is how you earn income in just 7 days. Be certain to complete all the licensing rules and regulations so you can have a thriving business for months and years to come. You're not just starting a daycare, you're building something intentional, something that supports your life and not takes over it and benefits you and others. If you would like more tips on how to earn income operating a home daycare business, be sure to watch this video next. Remember, download your free checklist in the description below. Thank you for watching my video. These videos help moms and childcare providers start and grow successful home daycare businesses while making a real difference in children's lives. Moms and childcare providers, if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more real practical daycare business tips. I'd like to hear from you. Which step do you need help with in your daycare journey? Handbook, policies and procedures, licensing, lesson plans, equipment, and materials? Please comment below and let me know. Be the person to make a difference. Open a home daycare and reap the many rewards. My name is Denise. Thank you for watching. Until next time.